Hey my friends, how's everybody doing? What's going on? What's going on? I want to check in with my friends. You guys are looking for Norda Stock Explorer. Earlier my computer was having a stroke. It wasn't having it, guys. I could not get on. I could not get on earlier. But welcome. I am going to hop on here for a few minutes. It's looking like a nice day in the stock market. I'm going to show my Robinhood portfolio. I only bring this one up every once in a while. Let me make my picture bigger here. I only bring this up once in a while, guys, but I want to show you I'm the real deal. Okay, I'm not out here saying that I'm making these trades and making money and I'm losing. No, I'm going to be transparent with you guys, and you could see what I got going on. And if you'd like to copy a couple of my option plays up here at the top, feel free to do that. I think I got some good ones. As you can see, some are in the green and looking great. So help yourself, okay? So as you know, a couple of weeks ago, I sold some puts on REI, which actually it didn't hit my $3 strike price, so I got assigned 200 shares of REI. So what you can do, you can use the wheel strategy, and you can go ahead and sell some calls on REI for a $3 strike, and I can get the premium from that as long as it doesn't go over $3, okay? So yeah, that is called the wheel strategy. If you'd like to go ahead on YouTube, there's many videos on how to do the wheel strategy, okay? And that is what I did. You just keep cycling through. So it's a win-win, guys. I don't mind holding these shares of REI, and if the wheel strategy doesn't work out, well, I will just have to surrender 100 shares of REI, but you still make out in the end because you keep the premium, you keep the difference. It's hard to explain, it's a lot to explain. So what if you're interested in this strategy, what you want to do is go on YouTube and look up the wheel strategy, and you will get a better overall understanding of that. So that is what I have going on here. I sold 2 calls for a $3 strike. They're very inexpensive to do so. Okay, so that is that. Okay. I have a Home Depot $340 call, which expires 1/21/22, so that is a leap option. That is a call out until mid-January of 2022. That's up $63. It was up over $200, but I did not want to sell it short. I wanted to hang on to it because I think this one has a whole lot of potential. You could see it's going up as we speak. I have U.S. Bank call out for the same expiration 1/21/22. That's at the 57.50 strike price. That's up. And then lastly, I have my BarkBox call, which doesn't expire till February 18th, so it has plenty of time. It's down a little bit, but that is normal. It has plenty of room to run, not worried about that one bit. Hi, Trina Yammings. Thank you for joining me. Trina's watching from Germany, guys. Check that out. Check her channel out. She's got a nice channel. She went to a farmer's market out in Germany yesterday. Fantastic. Would love to, wish I could teleport there and be there. That was nice. So check her channel out. Darren, the shareholder bond, my friend, I have not seen you on here in a moment. Thank you so much. You watched my Dragonfly video. Yeah, guys, I dropped 2 videos over the weekend. I did a video on Dragonfly. You can type in Dragonfly with an A, D-R-A-G-A-N, not Dragon, Dragonfly. And you will see they are going to be uplisting onto the NASDAQ. I'm really excited to see that finally happen. We've been waiting for that for quite some time. So yeah, that was cool. And I did a update on CCIV as well. Of course, the ticker changed to Lucid Motors this morning. Now, if you go on Webull, it's going to say it got delisted. Don't get worried. It did not get delisted. It's simply on pause right now while they conduct that ticker change, as far as I know. Hopefully all is well, but it looks like they're taking a little longer than expected to get that ticker symbol changed over. Every broker is different, guys, so don't get scared if you go on Webull and it says it got delisted. I believe it's just going through the process of switching everything over, and they have to kind of take it off for a moment until they get that all squared away. Okay, so yeah, we're having some Grand Slam earnings coming through this week. A lot of big dogs having earnings coming up. Tesla, we had Lockheed Martin. They smashed it. Lockheed Martin did fantastic. They beat on all 4 categories, so congratulations to anyone holding Lockheed Martin stock. That's a good one. And of course, I think Home Depot is a winner chicken dinner for many reasons. No matter which way this whole Rona situation plays out, and as you see, we continue to have these different strains come out. It's going to continue to mutate. Guys don't want to go down that road, but I think Home Depot can benefit either way we play it. If people decide to work from home, of course, they're more likely to do home projects. And of course, if we are open and everything is doing great, well, then we'll have the contractors coming in and giving them a lot of business from contract work. So either way, guys, whether it be retail income or income from the contractors, I still think Home Depot is a fantastic stock pick moving forward. Also, we are in hurricane season, so that could be looked at as a nice little hurricane play for you guys. As you can see, look, it's going up as we speak, guys. It was up over $200 on Friday. I want to give a shout out to Investing with Henry. He put this call option idea out there, so I can't take credit for it, but I listened to his thesis on Home Depot, and I reiterated some of that just now about how they will benefit no matter which way this thing plays out. So shout out to Investing with Henry. He's originally from Philadelphia. I believe he was a options trader for Goldman Sachs, I believe. But anyway, he's the real deal. Great guy. Check out his channel. Shout out to him because he's making me some tendies with this Home Depot call option. It was rather expensive. It cost over $1,000, guys. So if you have a smaller budget, you may want to grab one of these other things, or just grab a couple shares, guys. Just grab shares. You can. It's always safe to go ahead and just place shares. Okay. AMC is over $40. Love to see that. I love to see that. I sold a couple of these last week I think I sold them at 40, and then I just kept 15. Most of my AMC is over in my Webull account, so you won't see that. But you can see my average cost in Robinhood for it. My AMC was $24.18, so I'm up. I'm up on the position. I'm not going to sell it yet. I think some things are about to start moving. As you know, people that are exclusively on YouTube speaking about AMC, they're having a lot of trouble either getting their channels taken down, and they have to fight to put the channel back up, and also getting a lot of attacks with the bots and things of that nature. Now, I don't speak exclusively about AMC because I'm not a one-trick pony, guys. This is something I got into to make a little bit of money, but a small position. I am not going to just talk about AMC because the way you make money long term is not by chasing after these type of plays, okay? These are great little icing on the cake here and there, but slow, consistent gains is the way to build your wealth, guys, not chasing these. So be very, very careful, and if any of you guys are on margin, please be very careful, okay? Right now everything's looking green, looking good. It may be very, very tempting to use that margin. Guys, start scaling out of that. Start putting money in, getting out of that margin. You don't want to owe, because if a margin call ever comes up, they're going to take whatever stocks you have. Trust me, it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt bad. You don't want to be margined to the gills, okay? You really don't. Darren's saying, do you think gold plays with the yeah, I think so. At the end of the day, that is well, I think gold will always be a highly sought after asset, because it's a tangible thing. It's a very useful element as we move forward. They even use it in some computer components. With all the technology out there, so yes, that may be something to keep an eye on. Gold and silver, or any of your favorite precious metal sort of things. Absolutely. I don't have any at the moment, but I think that would probably be a good bet. My one of my better picks was what's the name? The oil stock Oxy. Okay, so let's take a quick look at that. OXY. As inflation and the Rona is looming on us again, this is done very well. Let's look over the past month. Okay, it's down a little bit over the past month. Over the past 3 months, it's up 10%, and over the year, you could see over the year, it's a slow and steady gainer. It's actually at a good price today, right now. That was one thing I made a little bit of money on. Exxon Mobil is another one you may want to take a look at. Let's take a look at gold. GOLD. Barrick Gold is a popular gold. Wow, it's up nice today. Up 1.39% on the week. It was up, pretty much went sideways on the week. On the month, went sideways. But it may be about to pivot, right? It may be about to pivot and start doing an uptrend. Let's look on the year. Okay, on the year it looks like it's been pretty much downward or sideways, but that doesn't mean that can't turn and start going the other way. Trend reversal, right, guys? So definitely that might be a good one for the watch list. Hi, Trina. Yeah, thank you for joining me. I was joining you on your live, but I wanted to get on and do my live. I didn't go live last week. My computer got some bugs in it, and it takes about 20 minutes for the computer to start up. And when I use the streaming software and everything else, and all the accessories that are connected, such as the headset and things of that nature, it makes the computer very, very slow. So I apologize. I was not able to really stream for you guys last week, but I want to jump on here and say hi to all my friends, and I hope everybody that didn't catch the live could watch the replay. Please give me a like if you don't mind, for the algorithm, so other people will find it. Would really appreciate that. A shout out to all my lady traders out there. I have quite a few subscribers that are women. Love to see you guys in the finance space doing well. And a lot of lady traders out here, really good traders and investors out there. Also, if you guys want to join Capitalist Academy, would love to have you over there. It's probably the only stock market academy that will give you your first month absolutely for free. You can use the code DISCIPLINE in all capital letters. Use the code DISCIPLINE. If you click my link and you get the first month absolutely for free. After that, it is $100 a month. However, that is going up probably to about $150. The resources in there they can't be beat, guys. The live stream every morning, Monday to Friday, you're just going to get so much value, but you can get that first month for free, so please don't be afraid to click on that. You can cancel it at any time. I've been a member over a year, and I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't believe in it, guys, so please check out my link in the description, and also it's always up in my banner on the bottom right hand side. You'll see Capitalist Academy. Click on that, and when you get in the private Discord, you're going to get a special link to invite you to that private Discord where everybody shares their trades. You're going to see trade alerts. You're going to get the black box information and all of that. Please tell them that Nora sent you, and let me know that you joined as well. Would love to have you over there. Viewer numbers, the view hours are a little on the slow side, but I think that's across the board. I don't think that's me in particular. I think that's just, YouTube goes through phases, and right now, the financials might not be the hot thing right now, but I enjoy going on. I'm not doing it for monetary gain at the moment because I'm not monetized. So I just do it to share some ideas and help my friends out. I'm here to connect with you guys and help you guys out with whatever I can help you guys out with, right? I'm showing you my portfolio. Everything is transparent on here. I take some losses sometimes. I take some steep losses sometimes. My hardest thing that I'm working on personally, I'll be honest with you, is setting stop losses. Because when I commit to a certain trade, I hate to stop out of it or set a stop loss because big money can see where you set the stop loss at, right? I don't like to do that. I like to continually watch it, but it does take a lot of energy and time. And some of those just, it goes past 5% loss, 10% loss, 20% loss, and I have to learn to cut the loss. I have cut losses, and it becomes easier as time goes by. Of course, no one wants to cut a loss, right, guys? Nobody wants to cut a loss. You don't want to lose money, but I'm going to be more disciplined as far as setting my stop losses from any positions that I buy from here forward, because I'd rather cut the loss early than start getting, like I said, 10, 15, 20% loss. You can't get to 20% loss if you cut it at 5%, right, guys? So that's something to think about. Moving forward. That's something I would say, of all of the skills, that is something that I have to work on the most, is setting my stop losses. I'm always trying to hold it, thinking it's going to work out, and sometimes they just don't. I had to cut Castor Maritime. I had to cut a whole bunch of Clean Spark. Clean Spark was moving, man. Clean Spark was just killing me. My average on Clean Spark was $22 CLSK. It's moving today, but man, that really I'm sure that broke a lot of people's spirits, man. This is a fantastic company. In the last 3 months, it's down 30%. I love the fundamentals of Clean Spark. I love what they're doing. Energy management. They're even doing some low emissions crypto mining and things like that. But man, they're just I had to cut some of this, guys. I had to cut it. It's just it's still on a downward trend, guys. I don't know when that's going to reverse. Of course, that's Rex Finance's favorite stock to talk about, but I just, man, I had to I had to cut it, and as you see, I lost about $200. That's fine, guys. I mean, sometimes you just got to cut your losses, okay? You just have to cut your losses and move on and not be emotional about it, which is another skill. Once you put money into these accounts, don't look at it as money like you would look at it as money in your wallet when you open your wallet up and you see money. Once you put it in here, just look at it as a number. You don't want to have that emotional attachment to the cash, to the money, because then you make emotional decisions as far as how it's moving. That's just a little trick, the way you can look at it, guys. So yeah, we got AMC over $40. Love to see that. It's up 8.57% as we speak. I think she could start rallying closer. She could start rallying once she breaks out over that, I would say, $45 mark. That's going to be off to the races, right? Be very careful with that. Like I said, don't be all margined out and going crazy, okay, guys? You want slow and steady gains if you want to learn how the psychology of trading and how to trade without emotion, all the fundamentals and things of that nature. Click my link and join the academy for a month and make sure that's a good fit for you. And if it's not, you cancel. It's simple as that, guys. I'm always over chatting in the Discord, in that private Discord. It's ran by Peter DeCarlo, guys. So if you haven't given that a chance, go ahead and give it a chance. You may absolutely love it. It may be life-changing for you. I know I've made a lot of money since I've been on the team with those guys. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great trading week. Be safe. Manage your risk. Don't forget to smash the like for your girl Nora. And I will see you guys soon. Have a great week.